Nora Aunor, who is Nora Cabaltera Villamayor in real life, or popularly known as Ate Guy to millions of her fans and friends, received the honor as the National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts last July 1 at the Malacanang Palace. Ate Guy shared the honor with screenwriter Ricardo Lee and the late film director Marilu Diaz-Abaya. Ate Guy was born and raised in Iriga, Camarines Sur, and she started her singing and acting career when she was just a teenager. Her beautiful voice and superb acting prowess catapulted her to the highest level of fame and success in the entertainment industry. Her contributions to the film and broadcast arts depicted the Filipinos' beliefs, values, and everyday realities of life. She won countless awards for her unforgettable and memorable portrayals of different roles assigned to her, aside of course from her best-selling music albums through the years. Indeed, Ate Guy's contributions to the music and movie industry are already worthy of our admiration and gratitude. She is truly an icon. Congrats, Ate Guy! We are so happy for you. God bless and get well soon.